Let's take a quick tour of how users leverage Zap's business analytics for Microsoft Dynamics CRM to manage their areas of responsibility at Tiva Corp, a Contoso company. Like most of us, marketing manager Robert Leone starts his day in his inbox. He's received an automated email giving him a quick view of the campaign dashboard. This dashboard shows the returns the company is seeing from their investments in different types of marketing campaigns. Because Robert's performance is measured by the key performance indicators shown here, he's keen to understand why campaign performance is falling below target. He emails his colleague, John Jones, who runs the sales team. John, too, begins his day in his inbox. He glances at the email which has come in from Robert, but also wants to take a closer look at his own results from Zap, the materials for the weekly sales meeting. John sees who his top 3 performers are since the last reporting period, courtesy of the contextual emails sent by Zap. He also sees that the organization's pipeline is valued at $1.7 million, which is short of where it needs to be. He decides to take a closer, interactive look at his Sales Manager dashboard within Outlook. The Sales Manager dashboard gives John insight into his team. On the upper left-hand side, the Opportunity Owner Metrics report offers a view of the performance of every opportunity owner in CRM. At the bottom of the dashboard, we see the Top Opportunities report. Not only do we get a good look at the 10 best opportunities, but through Zap's conditional formatting, we can see the shortest days open opportunity is in green, and the longest days open opportunity is in red. John is interested in learning more about Friendly Neighborhood Bikes, the red opportunity, and clicks through to CRM to learn more about the account. Now that John's in the Friendly Neighborhood Bikes account, he can get an understanding of what type of customer Friendly Neighborhood Bikes is. The Opportunity Performance Comparison tab shows Friendly Neighborhood Bikes performance compared to that of other benchmark accounts. The green needle on each KPI gauge reflects Friendly Neighborhood Bikes performance. The blue needle reflects the performance of the benchmark group of accounts. In the case of the Opportunity Average Days to Close, Friendly Neighborhood Bikes is below target, but is performing ahead of the benchmark accounts. This is great insight, but is concerning because Friendly Neighborhood Bikes' current opportunity is still open after 140 days. However, by looking at the Opportunity Win Percent KPI, John is able to see that every opportunity to sell to Friendly Neighborhood Bikes has resulted in a win. At 100%, Friendly Neighborhood Bikes is well ahead of the benchmark average and is also exceeding the organization's target. John can see that Friendly Neighborhood Bikes is a good customer that always buys and decides to take a quick look at the Comparison Analysis Order History on the next tab. Here we see that Friendly Neighborhood Bikes is performing well against the average benchmark account order volumes, and there is really little to be concerned about. John returns his attention to the most important element for him on the dashboard, the Sales Management Scorecard. John's scorecard has 3 objective areas: focus, achievement, and impact. Each of these areas have key performance indicators, or KPIs, which are used to measure the performance of the sales functions of the business. John's eye is drawn to the 2 KPIs which are problematic, each having a red status indicator. Thinking back to the email from Robert, John begins to wonder if there is a chance that neglected leads and a smaller than desired pipeline are affecting the measurement of campaign performance too. He dives straight into the underlying Opportunity dashboard. Here on the Opportunity dashboard, John can analyze what is happening with the sales team. He sees improvement in the sales team's Opportunity Accuracy KPI, which measures how accurate the team is at projecting revenue for opportunities. The funnel by pipeline stage shows there are a large number of opportunities which have not been classified properly by their owners, ending up with an unknown stage, shown in blue. This is a problem John will address in his sales meeting. The Open Revenue Forecast is a great example of how ZAP leverages the historical information accumulated in CRM to assist in the forecasting of results. Here we are predicting revenue based on past win performance percentages, which means John can be much more confident in the figures he presents at sales and management meetings. John still needs to figure out what's happening with the lagging pipeline and the neglected leads. He decides to drill across into the Open Revenue Forecast report to follow his hunch. On an expanded version of the Open Revenue Forecast report, we see that the chart combines the Open Revenue Forecast from the prior dashboard with the potential value of neglected leads. It clearly shows that neglected leads would add a significant amount to the existing pipeline revenue, which would impact both the Sales Manager scorecard and the Marketing scorecard. While he has saved this report for others to see, he emails the report to his regional sales leads, Brian Cox and Patricia Doyle, so they are prepared to discuss ways to reactivate neglected leads at the next sales meeting. Having used ZAP's business analytics to prepare for the sales meeting and understand how he might assist Robert with his campaign ROI issues, John sends Robert an email about how they might work together to maximize the performance for the sales measures and the marketing measures. Once done, John's ready to make the most of his business day.